Hello students, standard 7, subject max, chapter 8, exercise 8.3, continue. Question number 9 we will do. See here 9 solution we will do of simple interest. Okay, so see in your textbook what is given, and I have explained you in the introduction video also. So find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Okay, you have to find the amount. For that first we have to find, see what is given here. Principal is given rupees 1200 at 12% PM rate of interest. Okay, and number of years are also given, 3 years. So first we have to find simple interest and then we have to find amount. Okay, see solution first. To find out, first you have to write what is principal given. So principal is given rupees 1200. R is given, rate of interest is given 12%. N is given what, 3 years. Okay, this is A1 I am doing. B1 you do yourself. So what is the simple interest formula? PRN upon 100. Okay, so what is P? 1200 into what is R? 12. What is N? Or time also you can say, T also you can write, upon 100. So 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut. Now do the division of all three. So what will come? Rupees 432 will come. Okay, this is the amount of simple interest. Now we have to find amount to be given. So what is the amount? Formula P, principal plus interest. So principal is what, 1200 rupees, isn't it? Plus I is, अभी हमने find it out किया, 432. So rupees क्या आएगा, प्लस करेंगे तो 1632. This is the amount to be paid. Okay, this is the amount to be paid and this is the principal. B you do yourself. Now third one I am 10th one I am explaining you. See in your text what is given. What rate gives 280 as interest on the sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years. So here what rate is given? Rate we have to find here in this question. Rate is not given. So what rate gives? So here interest is given. Solution C I am doing. 10th one solution I am doing here. See, principal is given what? Rupees 56,000, isn't it? 56,000 give. P R हमें नहीं दिया है तो क्वेश्चन हमें यही फाइंड करना है. P R N is given what? 2 years, isn't it? And simple interest भी दिया है, is what? रुपीज़ 280. ओके है ना, रुपीज़ 280 इज गिवन ना. सो व्हाट इज द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला? SI इज इक्वल टू PRN अपॉन 100. ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पता है 280 है. ओके, इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल पता है 56,000. R नहीं पता है हमें, isn't it? So R only write down N is given 2 year upon 100, ऐसा लिखना है. ओके, अभी इसका वो कर देना है मल्टीप्लिकेशन और देन सी इक्वेशन फॉर्म विल we do. So what you have to do? 2 0 cut, 2 0 here cut. So what is remain? 280 is equal to 560 into R into 2. So what you have to do is 280 ऊपर लिखो, then 560 into 2, ये वाला यहाँ नीचे चला जाएगा. तो ये क्या हो गया, आर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। सो कट दिस, 0 कट 0 कट, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 14 ज़ा। अभी हम ये 14 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा तो व्हाट विल कम, 1 अपॉन 4 विल 1, 14 1 ज़ा 14, 14 4 ज़ा, सो व्हाट विल 1 अपॉन 4 विल कम। सो इसको हमें परसेंटेज में करना है। सो आर इज इक्वल टू 0.25%, इतना आएगा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। सो देयरफॉर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 0.25%. Understood? This way you have to do. And now 11th one is what is given question. मैं समझा देती हूँ, आप अपने से होमवर्क में करना। See what if Meena gives an interest ₹45 for 1 year at 9% rate. What is the what given? Sum she has borrowed. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या फाइंड इट करना है, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट फाइंड करना है। सो यही फॉर्मूला रख के आपको प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करना है, सेम एज 10th वंस। यहाँ पे हमने रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फाइंड किया है, वहाँ पे हमें 11th में हमें प्रिंसिपल फाइंड करना। डू योर सेल्फ, 11th इज़ योर होमवर्क। दिस एक्सरसाइज इज़ ओवर, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू।